The first steps in preparing a file for referral to an attorney are making the determination that legal assistance is required on the claim, completing a litigation referral form that outlines the issues and actions required by counsel, obtaining a complete copy of the claims file and all associated documents and information. Once the attorney receives the claim, he or she should perform the initial file review. Before the attorney can take any action on the claims, a complete and thorough review of the entire file must be performed. This review serves several purposes. The purpose of the initial file review. It identifies issues. It familiarizes the attorneys with the facts and history of the case. It reveals the strengths and weaknesses in the case. It provides insights into the future plan of action required to bring the claim to a successful conclusion. Once the initial file review has been completed, the attorney and the claims examiner should have an initial meeting, either by phone, email, or in person, to discuss the strategy of the case. At the conclusion of the strategy session, the attorney should prepare his or her initial written plan of action for forwarding to the claims examiner. There is no industry standard for how long after the initial referral that the written strategy memo should be sent to the claims examiner. However, under no circumstances should it be longer than 21 days after the initial referral. Once the initial legal strategy memo has been forwarded to the claims examiner, the examiner should expect regular updates, either verbally or in writing, as events warrant and subject to the initial instructions provided to the attorney. A litigated claim can have many issues in dispute at one time, such as coverage, injury AOE/COE, need for medical treatment, benefit and benefit rates, apportionment, permanent disability, joinder of co-defendants, and interpretation of statutory and case law. At some point, all of these issues must be resolved, either between the parties or at a WCAB hearing before the case can be successfully closed. However, some of these issues carry more significance and are more time critical than others. We will explore each of these issues briefly.